Today I'm going to put that thing on that Nissan out there. It failed smog because that air hose thing has a crack in it. But first I get to clean this mess up. Fortunately the wind is blowing all of this crap down here into one area. My daughter took her car in to get it smogged and it failed because of that. They said it would cost $200 to get it repaired. Parts and labor, and including re-smogging. I got this thing for $23 shipped to my doorstep from Amazon. First, I think I'm going to take that plastic thing off and clean all the rubber debris out of here, since this is the air intake. I just used this little socket, which is a 3/16 inch socket, to go up from the bottom of this thing to push on this to get it to pop out. There's a spring clamp here. Put a vice grip on this to keep it unsprung and out of the way. I squirted a little WD-40 in here to get this rubber unstuck. That's out. Took quite a bit of wiggling to get it to come out of this rubber hose here. Now that hose clamp and that hose clamp need to be loosened. Is it going to come off easily, or is it going to be stubborn? That was pretty easy. I think the other one might be harder to get on because it's a little stiffer. I just took this thing off because I think it's going to be in the way. Trying it without any WD-40 or anything first. Let me put a handle on here for you. It folded under. I just released this hose clamp on this end. It was in the way. Starting over again. I'll try putting it on this side again first. This thing is keyed, by the way. This piece of rubber right here needs to go into a slot over here. Now, alright, I can get that clamp back on. The bottom on first. Wow, how do you get this rubber to fold back up? Tire iron. There's a tire iron with a tiny little bit of 3-in-1 oil on it. It's on. Put the plastic box gizmo back on. That hose clamp is tight. That hose clamp is tight. I never took that one off. That one is tight. The spring clamp is tight. And will this thing fit in the China part? Yep. Look at that. Not bad, huh? Ken's Garage, cheap labor, saved my daughter, I don't know, something over $100. Got a new turbocharger on here. Do you hear that turbo whine? Oh yeah.